Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, will be appearing in court 4 times this month, June 2025. He will be in court 4 times this month, and in this video I'm going to reveal to you these 4 days. Okay, now if you're interested in this case, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we'll be giving you updates about this case. Remember that this case is not televised, hence disclaimer. This report is based on publicly available information and may not reflect the full facts of the case. The court proceedings are not televised, so some details may be incomplete or subject to interpretation. This content is for informational and commentary purposes only and should not be taken as legal advice. Viewers are encouraged to verify facts through official court records or trusted news sources. So that is a quick disclaimer, okay? The information or the report might not be comprehensive enough. Now, the last appearance of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is on 29th May, okay? And that day was so joyful because it shows that maybe there is hope and there is freedom ahead. Of course, that is what I personally want, personalized, so I don't need to hide my own feelings. I think he have not committed any crime, my personal opinion, okay? So now on that day, 29th, court rejects key evidence in Nnamdi Kanu's trial, okay? Now, the Federal High Court has just excluded critical evidence in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Now, the ruling comes after a heated legal battle over the admissibility of his alleged confession. So, let's go ahead and break it down. Now, here are the key ruling, okay, on videos and statements. Now, the videos and statements were thrown out. Now, Justice James Omotosho ruled that 2 video recordings and 3 written statements submitted by the Nigerian government cannot be used as evidence. So this is the judgment on the 29th day of May. Okay. Now, the second point is that Kanu had argued that he was under duress when giving the statements and that his lawyer was absent, which is a clear violation of his right. Now, the third point is that the judge agreed, cited Section 15 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, which requires a suspect's statement to be made in the presence of the legal counsel. Now, even though the videos showed a calm environment, the court held that the absence of Kanu's lawyer made the evidence inadmissible. So it's making sense, okay? So now the second part of it was a dramatic testimony, which is 2014 interview of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu resurfaces, okay, in court. So prosecution called a DSS officer as their third witness. Now, they played a 2014 Sahara Reporters interview where Kanu made inflammatory statements, including threatening Igbo leaders who attended Nigeria's national conference, warning of violence worse than Somalia if Biafra demands were ignored, now vowing to pursue both peaceful and armed struggle, and the fourth one accusing the Hausa Fulani elite of imposing Southeast governors. Now, the defense and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu defense team counters. They said, did Kanu kill anyone? Now, under cross-examination, Kanu's lawyer, Paul Irokoro, challenged the prosecution. Now, he said, I quote, did Kanu or IPOB ever harmed the leaders he criticized? Now, the witness admitted, no, to my knowledge. Now, the lawyer continues, Nnamdi Kanu defense continues. So, Iroko also reminded the court of Buhari's 2015 dog or baboon bloodshed comment. We all could remember President Buhari's 2015 dog and baboon bloodshed comment, as you can see on your screen, suggesting double standard in prosecuting threats. Okay, so that was a kind of brief recap of what happened on May 2025, his last court appearance. So he will be appearing in court on June 13th, June 16, June 18, and June 19, 2025 for more testimonies. Now, the prosecution's case now relies heavily on Kanu's statement rather than contested confession. So, if you're interested in this case, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel while we try to cover what happened in court on this date, 13, 16, 18, and 19. And hopefully, we believe that justice will be served, okay? And we believe that, I believe personally that he will be free at the end of the day. So that's what's up. If you believe in freedom, go ahead and subscribe to this channel.